Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to withdraw your Cati tokens in your Catizen account to your Binance account or your Bybit or OKX. So without wasting my time, let me go to my Telegram account to show you guys how you can withdraw your Cati tokens in your Catizen account to your Binance or your Bybit. Okay. So first we will click on the Catizen, then we will open the game. Okay. So this is the playground of the game, and Catizen just distributed the tokens to the players. Okay, so to find out how much you get, you just click on this airdrop. Okay, you can see an airdrop section over here, so you click on this airdrop and you will see the amount you get when you played your Catizen. Okay, I didn't really focus on Catizen because I was focusing on other projects like Hamster Combat and X Empire. Okay, so I got only 2 Cati because I didn't really do anything. Okay, I'm still at the silver. You can see my rank is very low, silver. Okay, yeah, so let me show you guys how you can withdraw your tokens. If you get a lot of tokens over here, you can watch this video to learn how to withdraw your tokens to your Binance account or your Bybit account. So first we have to click on this deposit to exchanges. Okay, so we will click on deposit to exchanges, and at this section we will see Binance, OKX, Bybit, Bybit, and other exchanges. Okay, so first let me show you guys how you can withdraw to your Binance. Okay, and this is already ticked on the Binance, so we click on the continue, and at this section we need to add our deposit address and the user ID and the memo to receive the Catizen. Okay, Catizen is operating on Ton network. That is why we need all these details before you can receive your Cati tokens to your Binance. Okay, so first let me go to my Binance account and show you guys how you can get all these details. Okay, so let me go to my Binance account. First we need to get the user ID. Okay, so I'll open my Binance account, then I'll click on this logo. You can see the Binance logo is over here. I'll click on the logo, then I will tap to copy this. Okay, you see we have an ID over here. This is my Binance user ID, so I'll just tap to copy it. You can see it's copied successfully. Then I'll come back to the Catizen account, then I'll paste in my user ID here. Okay, then I go back to copy the address and the memo. Okay, so let me go back to my Binance account, then click on this wallet. Okay, then I'll make sure it's on spot, so I'll click on the spot, then I will search for Cati over here. Cati, you see a search logo over here. Okay, search icon over here, so you click on it, then you search for Cati and Catizen will appear. Okay, so you click on the Catizen token, then you click on deposit crypto, then you select the network. The network is Ton coin. Okay, you select this network, then you copy your deposit address. Okay, so I'll copy the address and I'll go back to my Catizen. Okay, then I'll paste in the address here. Okay, so I'll go back and copy the memo address too. Okay, so I'll come to my Binance again and copy the memo. The memo is very important. Okay, without the memo you get your money lost. Okay, so you copy the memo and you paste in your memo address here too. So when you are done, you just click on send. Okay, then you click on confirm. You just make sure everything is correct over here. Also make sure you do your verification, you do your KYC verification on your Binance account. Okay, before you'll be able to receive this token. Okay, so I'll just click on confirm because everything is correct over here. I'll click on confirm, and hooray, confirm successfully. 2.00 Cati will deposit to your Binance account automatically before the 20th. Okay, so as at the time I'm making this video, Catizen has not been listed yet. Okay, we are still in few days to get listed. Okay, Catizen will be listed on 20th September 10 a.m. okay, UTC. Okay, and this is the process to add your user ID, your deposit address, and your memo to your Catizen account to receive your airdrop to your Binance. Okay, so let me click on the back. Okay, and I have deposited the two, you can see two Catizen CATI tokens is going to Binance. Okay, you can also use this process to send to your Bybit account. It's the same process for all exchanges. Okay, you can use this process to send to your Bybit account, to your OKX account, and the rest. Okay, so if this video helped you to send your Catizen tokens from your Catizen account to your Binance or your Bybit or your OKX, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.